Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about what is Facebook Messenger automation. Let's get started. It is important to maintain and increase engagement on your Facebook business page. You can achieve this by sharing valuable and quality posts that can initiate comments from users and entice them to send a private message to your page. Messenger automation can help boost engagement on your page. More people rely on information, that is why they send private messages to business pages that they are interested in. When you set and enable the automated responses on your page, it can send messages to new customers on behalf of your business page. This can help you buy time to respond to them once you have crafted the proper response to their inquiries. For the time being, relying on automated responses to engage with Facebook users who send you a message for the first time will give them assurance that their messages have been received and they can expect a reply as soon as possible. The automated response feature on your Facebook business page can be similar to the functions of a simple email autoresponder or the frequently asked questions that anyone can find on any business website. Common questions that are asked by people about your products or services can be set under the automated responses feature. It saves you time and effort. If you have a busy schedule, it will be a burden to keep responding to every message that you have received from your potential customers, especially if you are receiving hundreds of messages in your inbox, as this will take up much of your time. Setting up the automated responses on your Facebook page will allow your brand to respond to your customers' messages as soon as they send you a message. This allows your brand to have enough time to answer your customer's question. This is helpful for your business since the automated responses that you have set will respond to people on your behalf. As your business grows, you will gain regular customers who will purchase your products on a weekly or monthly basis or as soon as their stock needs to be replenished. When you set up automated responses, your customers will feel that you cater to their needs fast. You might not answer their messages right away, but if you have enabled the automated responses on your page, they can receive a response the moment they hit the send message icon or the return or enter key on their keyboard. Next, it helps your business provide excellent customer service. With your business schedule, you can still engage with your customers using the automated responses that you have set on your business page. As you provide the questions, they can receive an automated response to that question right away. This can help improve your credibility on your page. Next, inform people when you will be available. When you're away from your computer or your mobile device and you cannot access your Facebook page to reply to your customers, you can set responses that will inform anyone who sends you a message that you have received their message, but you are currently not available to respond at the moment. You can assure them that you will get back to their inquiries once you are available. Next, you can be rewarded with a very responsive to message badge. This is a long-term goal that your business should aim for. You can get the very responsive to message badge if you respond 90% of your time to every message that you receive on your page inbox. Also, you need to respond within 5 minutes over the last 7 days to be rewarded with this badge. You can set the automated responses using your Facebook Business Suite. As you set up your automated responses, it can help your brand improve your customer service. Enabling the automated responses on your business page can help your customers build trust with your business, increase the credibility on your business page as soon as you have gained the very responsive to message badge, and it can help your business save time as your business grows with tons of followers and fans who are sending you a message on your inbox. If you want to track anyone on Facebook and get their ads forever, we have a marketing app that allows you to track ads from your competitors. It's called Adplify. Start saving money on ads, get fresh ideas, and capitalize on trends that your competition is targeting. Feed your leads into audiences and get a huge conversion instantly. Adplify gives you 7 popular SaaS tools for total Facebook ads domination. With Page Ad Watcher, you can track ads from your competitors, get instant notification as soon as your competitor goes live with a new Facebook ad. You can discover the latest ad trends and conversion strategies in the market. With Adplify's Hidden Insights and Audiences Finder, you can find high-profit audiences that Facebook Ad Manager hides from you. Find the perfect audiences for your niche and apply it to your products. Discover related audiences and get more opportunities to run profitable ads. Boost your conversions with behavioral retargeting. You can retarget customers based on how they behave on your site. Identify your best target audience with the best potential conversions, get more clicks, and spend less on ads as you get more sales and engagement. With Adplify's Page Targeter, you can target the audiences and the strategies of top businesses in your niche. Discover customer wants and create a perfect offer for your market and what your competition is up to and use their ideas. With Adplify's email list audience, you can turn every lead into a buyer with Instant List to Facebook retargeting. Instantly engage each sign-up on Facebook. Promote upsells, offers, and extra profits per customer. With Ad Decorator, you can make people stop scrolling every time they see your ad. Organize your ad content into sections and highlights easily. Get more people to your landing page. Promote urgency, scarcity, and get more traffic. With ROI Calculator, scale your ad's profitability without paying first. You can save money by analyzing the minimum spend to get the results you want. Make projects and scale your ads. It helps to reduce costs while getting better results. With Adplify, you can help other businesses and book your profits. Tell local businesses what their competitors are up to and get paid. Access hidden audiences that can get businesses more sales. And turn boring ads into killer ads and charge for it. Try Adplify now and go to getadplify.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.